Creating a spring bone item for a character creator using Blender. Bring your item to the world center and add a single bone armature. The base of your item will be weighted to the main bone of the armature. Create a child bone which will act as the base of your spring bones. Depending on the nature of your item and how you want it to move, create additional child bones. Name your bones in sequence according to how you want them organized. This item can have symmetrical bones, so I've added a .r to the right side of the naming sequence. If you select all the bones in the armature and apply symmetry, it will add left bones using the same naming sequence. Select your main item, then select the armature and press Ctrl P to apply parenting and default skinning. Your item will now have vertex groups which match the bone naming sequence. The vertex groups contain the weight information which correspond to the bones. With everything weighted at 100% to the main bone group, the bones I created will not influence the mesh. Isolate the mesh which corresponds to the bones you want to apply movement to, and use the tools to apply the appropriate weights. For things like tails and ropes, I would generally use the gradient tool. Create fall-off weights which transition between the bone groups. Select your item in the armature and export as an FBX. Import the item as a prop, not an accessory. Select the item and apply spring bone settings. For this item, I choose the rotate option. Parent the item to your character. In this case, I chose his right hand bone. Now your item's spring bones will move along with the character, which can create more interesting appeal to your character's items.